As Baltimore experiences increasingly unpredictable weather, from humid summers to chilly, wind-filled winters, homeowners are realizing that their doors play a vital role in energy efficiency. The right door can help maintain comfortable indoor temperatures, lower utility bills, and reduce environmental impact. Let's explore the best energy-efficient door options that suit Baltimore's changing climate, blending comfort, sustainability, and style. Understanding the importance of energy efficiency doors are more than entryways, they're thermal barriers between your home and the outdoors. Poorly insulated or aging doors allow air leakage, forcing heating and cooling systems to work harder. This not only increases energy bills but also contributes to greenhouse gas emissions. In a city like Baltimore, where temperatures fluctuate widely throughout the year, choosing an energy-efficient door can make a significant difference in overall home performance. Energy-efficient doors reduce heat transfer, minimize drafts, and improve home comfort. They're also eligible for federal energy tax credits in some cases, adding financial incentive to the investment. Fiberglass doors. Durable and insulating fiberglass entry doors are among the most popular choices for energy efficiency in the Mid-Atlantic region. They mimic the look of real wood but offer superior insulation and weather resistance. Fiberglass doors are made with a foam core that provides exceptional thermal performance, keeping interiors cool in summer and warm in winter. In Baltimore's humid conditions, fiberglass doors are especially valuable because they resist warping, rotting, and rusting. Homeowners can also choose models with triple-pane glass inserts, adding light without sacrificing energy efficiency. Benefits: excellent thermal insulation, low maintenance and moisture resistance, versatile designs and finishes, steel doors. Strong and cost-effective for homeowners seeking durability and affordability, steel doors are an excellent option. While steel conducts temperature more readily than fiberglass, modern steel doors are equipped with high-density foam cores that significantly improve energy performance. Weather stripping around the frame further prevents air leakage, helping these doors achieve ENERGY STAR ratings. In colder months, a well-insulated steel door can block Baltimore's brisk winds and prevent drafts. During summer, reflective coatings and insulation reduce heat transfer, contributing to lower cooling costs. Benefits: enhanced security and impact resistance, long lifespan with minimal upkeep, strong insulation when combined with foam cores, wood-clad doors. Natural beauty with modern efficiency. Traditional wood doors offer classic curb appeal, but untreated wood is less energy efficient and prone to swelling in Baltimore's humid climate. Fortunately, wood-clad doors combine natural aesthetics with advanced insulation. These doors feature a wood exterior over a composite or insulated core, delivering the warmth and beauty of wood with the efficiency of modern materials. Homeowners can customize finishes, stains, and glass designs to complement both historic row homes and modern townhouses, common in Baltimore neighborhoods like Federal Hill and Canton. Benefits: elegant appearance with insulation. Benefits: customizable designs, long-lasting with proper maintenance. Sliding patio doors with low-E glass. Baltimore homeowners who enjoy their patios, decks, or gardens can benefit from energy-efficient sliding glass doors. Modern versions feature low-E, low emissivity glass coatings that reduce UV and infrared light without diminishing natural brightness. The result is a door that keeps interiors cooler in summer and warmer in winter. Double or triple glazing, argon gas fills, and thermally broken frames enhance the door's performance. Sliding doors with tight seals prevent drafts while maintaining a sleek, modern aesthetic. Benefits: natural light with thermal protection, space-saving functionality, reduced UV fading on furniture and flooring. Storm doors for extra protection. Baltimore's coastal climate can bring heavy rain and gusty winds. Storm doors act as a secondary barrier, improving energy efficiency and protecting your main entry door from the elements. Look for models with low-E glass or interchangeable screen panels that adapt to the seasons. In winter, they help trap heat. In summer, they provide ventilation while keeping insects out. Benefits: Added insulation and weather protection, extended lifespan for main door, seasonal flexibility. Final thoughts. Investing in comfort and savings. Choosing the right energy-efficient door for Baltimore's climate means balancing insulation, durability, and style. Whether you opt for a fiberglass entry door, a steel security door, or a low-E glass patio door, the benefits extend far beyond aesthetics. You'll enjoy lower energy costs, a more comfortable living space, and a smaller environmental footprint. With Baltimore's weather continuing to evolve, investing in modern, energy-efficient door solutions ensures your home stays resilient, cozy, and sustainable all year long.